Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making another powerful hair remedy for healthy hair growth. Okra is good as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, as a detangler, but okra is also good for promoting hair growth, for dandruff, for dry scalp. Okra is good for so many things. This will encourage that healthy hair growth. So today we are going to be making okra deep conditioner. I have actually made an okra gel conditioner in my channel, but today I am going to be making it different way. I'm using onions and ginger as well. So let's slice our okra. So I am done slicing my okra and my onion, my ginger. So now it is time to boil my okra. I am going to add hot water inside the pot, and I am going to add all my okra, my onions and my ginger inside the pot, and I am going to cook this for 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You just have to boil it for 5 minutes. So this is my okra after I have boiled it for 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You can see that my okra is still green and all the nutrients are pretty much intact. So do not overcook the okra, please. So now I am going to put this inside my blender. So after blending my okra, this is the way it looks. It looks very smooth. Try and blend it so it can be so smooth. So now I am going to drain the okra. So after draining the okra, I am going to put some aside and then use some for my hair now. And I can also store some of this my okra in a fridge for a week or in a freezer for up to a month. I am going to add a little bit of my carrot oil in here. I will take away some because I don't want to use all of them in one go. So I will add it in this one. I'll add my carrot oil in the one that I'm going to be using today. So, and I will mix it up. So that is my conditioner. It's ready to be used on your hair. So that's the way it looks. Guys, I am back from making my okra deep conditioner. I am going to be applying this on a very clean washed hair. And if you have not yet tried using okra as your detangler, then you should try it, because I have tried loads of natural hair product for detangling my hair. None of them detangle my hair like okra. Okra will melt down that hair and detangle it so fast. So I am going to apply this all over my hair. Oh my god, this is good. am done applying the okra deep conditioner all over my hair, and I am going to cover my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will wash my hair off. Guys, try this deep conditioner. If you are a 4C, try this. It's really soft and it makes your hair very soft, and I tell you, detangling this hair is not gonna be hard at all. And don't forget that okra is also a very good natural hair growth remedy, and it also fight dandruff and fight dry scalp. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.